Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix display brightness problem on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. Let's say that you have activated the adaptive brightness on your Samsung Galaxy phone. I'm going to open my setting, then go to display. And here, let's say you have activated this adaptive brightness on your Samsung Galaxy phone, but it doesn't work as you want. And maybe if your adaptive brightness feature can't work well, maybe there's a problem on your sensor, so you have to fix it. And I'm going to show you how we can fix the sensor problem on a Samsung Galaxy phone. You can go back and then you have to go to the device care setting. Okay, here you have to select diagnostics and choose the phone diagnostics. Right, and here you need to test your sensor function. Click on a sensor, and as you can see that my sensor has been normal. But if you don't have this feature, you're gonna start your Samsung Galaxy phone. You just need to long press on your power button, and you just need to click on restart. And after you restart your phone, I hope your display brightness problem can be fixed. And I hope all the tricks I have given to you can work on your phone as well, guys. Alright, yes, and that's how we can fix display brightness problem on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.